Hello to all my people. Welcome to Perfect Women with me, Dr. Kushi Gurubai Thakkar, editor and publisher. And here I have my perfect woman who is versatile personality in herself. I know her for a couple of years today, and I've seen each year she's growing day by day. So, hello and welcome, Renu Mangtani. How about you?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for introducing me so beautifully. I am good, and how are you doing?
I'm as usual rocking, and here I see many changes in you. First of all, congratulations for your new life.
Thank you so much, and thanks for बहुत टाइम हो गया आपसे मिले मतलब ऐसा आई गेस वी met last in governor when it was a governor awards at Raj Bhavan. So like I am also seeing that today I guess you were at the college fest. So it was a like आपको देख के अच्छा लग रहा था since you are also growing day by day. And like since I am now into the numerology, so आपके साथ एक अच्छी चीज यहाँ पे शेयर करूंगी. Since you have a beautiful name, like numerology is basically about name and date of birth. इससे कैलकुलेट करके हम सब कुछ पता कर सकते हैं. So आप जो मतलब इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी है आज जो आप ये अचीव कर रही हैं आजकल आप ये सब कुछ, तो बेसिकली आपके जो वर्ड में डबल ओ है, खुशी. जनरली हमने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि खुशी इज USHI, बट आपके नाम में डबल ओ है. तो इसी वजह से आपकी ये पॉपुलैरिटी आ रही है. जैसे आप गूगल देख लीजिए, गूगल एज डबल ओ. आप याहू देख लीजिए, उसमें भी डबल ओ है. जूम देख लीजिए, उसमें भी डबल ओ है. So that's why you're becoming so much popular. So numerology talks about all these things.
Wow,
It's
that's
like that.
amazing. And I completely agree to this because मेरा जो नाम है, that is also been kept by numerologist Dr. Geeta Tucker. She is my family. And when I came in this world, and I like, my parents had some names. And when I came into his life, my husband, when I got married, definitely we have that ritual of changing the name. So it was been, like completely brainstorming work being done with our family astrologers and like my friends and together. And so we came up with this spelling, which was unique in themselves. So yes, of course, I completely agree to the numerology term because it really helps and works because, but it has to go with the correct form. But as we say,
Exactly.
half knowledge is dangerous unless and until you are thorough with it. It is very risky to be pursuing that in a level. So how it has been your journey since I see you deviating from your different profession. Earlier when I knew you, when I was introduced to you, I believe you were a banker. Then I saw you as an author. Then I'm sure you've been into multiple activities so far because you got into the world of spirituality. So, how it has been your journey from the banker to a spiritual healer, now a numerologist, and much more?
So yes, I was a banker. Truly, you said so. Was a banker. Right now, I'm just into the books. I'm writing the books. I'm an internationally renowned author, basically. So, like, I was into the banking since 2017, and the best part of my banking career was I was handling the NRI clients, and they were like very, they are very knowledgeable and they understand. And बहुत सारा कुछ उनसे सीखने के लिए मिला वहाँ पे, बिकॉज इनटू द इंडियन इंडस्ट्री तो हम लोग नॉर्मल बैंकिंग तो करते ही हैं, बट दे आर डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. तो वहाँ की कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस, वहाँ का कुछ और अलग नॉलेज सीखना. So lots of thing I learned during my banking career since 2017 till 23. And then I started writing in the year 2020 when the lockdown was declared. So then I was a normal author, and at the time I was compiling my books, and more than 300 plus writers, along with international ones. I have given a platform to them where I was the author and they were writing their stories, their thoughts in my books. So, like this, a journey of author begins. And as you know that मेरे पास जो भी opportunity आती है, I never stop. I accept it, and then I came into the modeling industry. Then after that, as an influencer and much more. And recently, since I am into the numerology, my book came, Deep Secrets of Name. Here is the book. I guess it is much. I don't know the cover is visible or not. Uh, I think no. Deep Secrets of Name. Well, it is available worldwide, Amazon, Flipkart. And this book is not only for numerologists, even a common man can read it, and where we have covered real life case studies. If we talk about Narendra Modi ji, like what is the initial of his name, what's the importance of his name, why, how he became the prime minister, and like how it is like as I told you about your name also. So there are real life case studies, and talking about Zinat Taman. So all these case studies we have covered in this, and what is the importance of like alphabets A to Z, and 0 to 9, what's the importance of the numbers. So it's a book for common man, not only for the numerologist. So it's like that.
Mhm.
So this is the journey. And talking about spirituality, so it is because I'm spiritual, all these things came to me, because I started accepting each and everything, whatever opportunity came to me. I believed in him that जो भी करता है वो अच्छे के लिए ही करता है, और उसे हमसे बेहतर पता है. मान लीजिए मैंने कोई चीज
Absolutely.
विश की और वो मुझे नहीं मिल पाई, तो इट इज बिकॉज ही नोज दैट मेरे लिए उसमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, इसलिए वो मुझे नहीं मिल पाई. सो स्पिरिचुअलिटी ही ये सब लेकर आई, जिसने रेनू मंगतानी को आज एक इंटरनेशनल रिनाउंड ऑथर बताया. और हालांकि ये डीप सीक्रेट्स ऑफ नेम अभी न्यू दिल्ली में वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर हुआ था
Mhm.
10th Feb को. तो 10th Feb से 18th Feb तक प्रगति मैदान में, वहां पे हमारी ये बुक की हमने लॉन्चिंग की थी.
Mhm. Nice, interesting. So I see that all different aspects of life that you have faced. Probably it's like if I talk about Renu Mantani, definitely she's seen all shades of life. And right now, since she's focusing on her career as a numerologist, I believe in future I'll be seeing you as an astrologer also because you're going in the same path. So if I ask you, where are we going to see you, and where do you see yourself after 5 years?
So definitely numerology. I'm practicing, not a pro into it yet, because since my husband is also into numerology, and
Mm.
I'm proud to be his wife, so I'm like learning numerology in his expert guidance. So
Mhm.
yeah, practicing, and definitely we are doing research also, like as I told you, like this about Google, Yahoo, and Zoom. So like this, we are doing different researches also. So obviously after 5 years, something new. What after 5 years? It's like year by year you have seen Renu Mangtari growing. So definitely there is something or rocking आएगा ही आएगा. And we are doing like अभी तो recently on International Women's Day, we both have done anthology, which is women empowerment and economic development. It is an anthology of 51 co-authors basically. So where we have highlighted the stories of women, like what is the importance of women, and basically perfect women also. Talking about perfect women, as you know, Khushi ma'am and Geet ma'am, you both are doing the wonderful jobs. It's not only for women, you are covering all the individuals, all those who are doing best in their fields, I can say. You are also giving a platform, and over here we are also like my husband is running an organization which is Ankakshar Miracles, which is the Institute of Occult Sciences, Spiritual Activities and Research, like where we are teaching numerology also. So it is in association with it we have been doing this work. And also, since it's a great news that we are married, so currently we are focusing on marriage anthology, which is marriage, my marriage, which is bliss versus curse. So since the viewers जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं, तो आप लोग भी एनरोल कर सकते हैं. So it's a beautiful topic basically, where you can share your experiences of married life.
Mhm.
So we are covering that. So in this, we are giving platform to 108 co-authors.
Wow, that's amazing. So, as you said, that you've been working and focusing on occult science and neurology also, and people can join your institute. So, if we talk about your institute, is it online or offline?
It is online. We teach online.
So, if anybody wants to reach out to you, then there is some specific contact or website which we can like provide them. Most probably, they
Yes,
can approach you
they
later
can
on.
Google. They can Google also Ankakshar Miracles, or they can contact us also on Instagram. My Instagram page is truth underscore of life. truth_of_life 82, and Abhishek is my husband's name, so they can DM us also.
Wow, that's interesting. Now, talking about you, Renu, since we've been in the month of March and everybody talks about empowerment and women empowerment. So, if I ask you, what is women empowerment? How would you define it? And what change, if you've been given an, you can say, chance to change one thing that can be for any woman, for the next door women, what that would be?
Change in the sense, women should be financially independent, as per the ongoing tradition, or as per the ongoing, because women's आजकल किसी से कम नहीं है. तो despite like I was into the banking sector, and then अभी totally like marriage होने के बाद तो सब कुछ change हो जाता है. So I didn't stop. I am today also I'm financially independent. So that is the basically women empowerment. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि you got married, you became a housewife, now you have to just look after the home. You have to look after the home. After that, you also have to be financially independent. That is called women
Absolutely.
empowerment, and that's what our book talks about: women empowerment एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. अगर एक नारी ग्रो करेगी तो पूरा देश ग्रो करेगा. दैट्स व्हाट आवर बुक आल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट.
That's so nice, and like to compliment you, Renu. I met you year before. I believe that time the girl Renu whom I knew was moreover like a small and bubbly, cute little girl. And today, when I'm talking to you, I see you more mature, and as a woman you present yourself so nicely, so it is actually a great achievement and change in you. So I really congratulate you for your all your achievements so far. See, financially and economically I agree, and I know you've been growing, but when it comes to anybody, physically, mentally, so I see that growth in you, and I see you in a piece of form. I see you more smiling now. I see that mature smile in you. So this is what makes a perfect woman. So I congratulate you for all these achievements.
थैंक यू सो मच. Lots of
And
love for perfect
Lord,
women, lots of love for Kushi ma'am, for Geet ma'am.
we love you more since you're my perfect woman, and I see you growing. I see you with all these changes in life. So, what are the challenges in this last 1 year? Definitely, I believe you have been going through all shades, ups and downs, roller coaster ride, going through each and every phase. Did you find any challenges? And as a woman, how were the challenges and how did you face them?
चैलेंजेस आर लाइक, वो तो सबके लाइफ में आते ही हैं, और ऐसा है कि चैलेंजेस आना और फेलियर्स का आना ही बहुत अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि वो हमें हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सिखा जाते हैं. सो चैलेंजेस आर एक्चुअली लाइक, आए चैलेंजेस बहुत सारे, एंड ऐसा होता है कि 24 इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज करना, मतलब, और 24 आवर्स, ये तो बहुत कम लगता है कि ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. तो इट्स लाइक दैट इज जस्ट 24 आवर्स की बात होती है. घर को भी देखना है, फिर सबको रिस्पॉन्स भी करना है, तो वही चीज़ हो जाती है बस. बट वो हो जाता है मैनेज. इफ यू हैव अ पैशन तो डे एंड नाइट एक करके आप सब कर लेते हो. ऑल आज वर्ल्ड पोइट्री डे है, तो renowned ऑथर की तरफ से कुछ हो जाए.
यस,
बट
ऑफ कोर्स, एक पोइट्री तो बनती है.
यस, यस. सो जैसे कि इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे मार्च मंथ अपना चल रहा है, सो लेट्स हैव इट दिस. हुआ बेटा तो डोल बजाया, हुई बेटी तो मातम छाया. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं हम? क्यों बेटी को दर्द हमने इतना दिया है? प्रभु के उपहार को क्यों ठुकरा दिया है? क्यों दो घरों की रोशनी को सिसका दिया है? बेशर्मी से बेटी का सौदा किया है. क्यों दहेज के हाथ उसको बेच दिया है? नारी बेटी है, बहू है, माँ है, वो जननी है. सोचो, अगर औरत नहीं होगी तो घर औरत के बिना, परिवार औरत के बिना, संसार औरत के बगैर. बेटी का प्यार, पत्नी का स्नेह और माँ का आशीर्वाद. गर्भ में हत्या क्यों करते हैं हम उसकी? चीख अनसुनी क्यों करते हैं मासूम की? बदलो, सोच अपनी बदलो. जागो, सुनो, अपनी आत्मा की आवाज सुनो. बनो निर्भय, भरोसा प्रभु का करो. उनकी नजरों में सच्चे इंसान तो बनो.
Wow, that's amazing. I really appreciate your deep thought. It is so written with complete deeper zone of your heart, and the feelings is for so pure for each and every woman. When we talk about women empowerment, I completely agree to Renu Mantani, because the poet that she is on to, and what we heard now, it dedicates so much, and it has so deeper thoughts, deeper words. I believe any woman who hears this will relate it to the same. It's so nice, Renu. And I'd like to one more thing about your nature, because since I know you've been writing books for a couple of years today, what is that one topic that you feel is very closer to your heart?
Topic, specifically I don't write like on topic. It's like ऐसा लगता है ना कि इस पे भी एक थॉट मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी. The author can transform not only an individual's life but also the complete society or a nation. So
Mhm.
basically ये सोच के मैं लिखती हूँ कि कोई भी रीड करे ना वो फील करे कि जैसे कि मेरी पहली बुक आई थी ऑटोबायोग्राफी थी दैट वाज द हाइट ऑफ लाइफ इन 24 रेन्स व्हिच इज आल्सो अवेलेबल वर्ल्ड वाइड लाइक इवन इंटरनेशनल अमेज़न फ्लिपकार्ट सो was my whole journey like since as we spoke now like how did I started my journey, what was my childhood phase, what was the youth phase, and talking about youth as we met at Raj Bhavan, so I've also been awarded as an youth icon, and that opportunity
Mhm.
was given to me by Geet ma'am. So that was
Mhm.
also on National Youth Day, basically on 12th January. So, like that's a book which talks about my autobiography. Then, after marriage, I have written two more books. It is Today's Corporate World, a robotic mechanism of youth. So, which is basically talking about the corporate world, and then it is a ladder of success, best 15 ways to achieve your goals. So where we have talking about some 15 ways like how you can achieve the success and women empowerment and economic development, which me and my husband have done the anthology, and one of our colleague is there, Jyotsna Ji Bansal. Also, Deep Secrets of Name is also co-authored by we three of us, our colleague Jyotsna Ji Bansal, me and my husband. सो मतलब ये सोच के नहीं लिखते कि एक कोई स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक हो, ऐसा हो कि पूरे सोसाइटी को पूरे नेशन को मैसेज जाना चाहिए. इट शुड ट्रांसफॉर्म ईच वंस लाइफ. सो इट्स लाइक
Wow,
दैट.
wow,
एन
that's so
ऑथर शुड
nice,
बी
so
लाइक दैट
amazing.
कि कोई भी उसका जो है ना कि पढ़ने के बाद वो सोचे कि हाँ मैं इस चीज से गुजर रहा हूँ या ये मेरी प्रैक्टिकलिटी है. अब मैंने पढ़ा है, रेनू मंगतानी ये बता रही हैं, तो ये मतलब कहते हैं ना कि यू बिकम द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर someone who got transformed because of you. Looking at you become the inspiration. So since you, Geet ma'am, are inspiration for us, like since you have been like promoting women, promoting each and every individual, giving platform to each one. So since you are inspiration for us, we are also giving platform also.
That's so nice. It's good. Ultimately, that is called empowerment when a empowered woman holds the right to empower other women. So I see the legacy in you, and I'm sure about it that you're going to empower many, many, many more. It's not just about authors, but more women who really associate with you. So we look forward for your growth and catch you back again. You are a part of Perfect Women family, so we are going to be catching you back in again and again. So I look forward to see you back. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable views today, and getting in touch with you is again a bliss because I really like to interact with you. Keep growing the way you are doing.
Thank you so much, Khushi ma'am. Once again, happy World Poetry Day to all of the viewers. Thank you for being associated with Perfect Women family. Lots of love.
Lots of love. Thank you so much, darling. Catch